So at this point, I'd like to start with my first case that I'll be presenting. Uh, and that case revolves around the topic of bias in data and how that bias can end up becoming uh, results of AI output. So for this case, I want to take a look at an AI screening tool that Amazon built and used to screen job applicants. They used this tool from 2014 to 2015, and the tool was designed to you know, speed the process of finding the top candidates, candidates that were going to excel in the roles that were advertised, and that were going to advance the company's goals in various ways. The team used this AI screening tool, especially for the software development field. As we may be aware, software development is a field dominated historically by male applicants. So when Amazon collected their historical data from software engineers that excelled within the company, feeding those individuals' resumes into an AI screening tool, the output that resulted ended up downgrading applicants who within their resume had female associated terms. For instance, if an applicant was a member of a women's chess club and they included the word women's in the description of the chess club, then that applicant would end up being downgraded. So let me try to pull up this news article so we can have a reference of that. So this news article is from October 2018, which is when this was discovered and made publicly known. And we can see here in 2018, the news article saying that Amazon scrapped the secret AI recruiting tool that showed bias against women. And so again, Amazon used this tool from 2014 to 2015. By 2015, the company realized that the system was downgrading specific female candidates. So I put the link to the version of the article that I'm using within the chat so that you can look at that article for yourself. And now I'm going to close the screen sharing at this point. So how does, I would like to use this example, this case, to describe how large language models actually train on their preliminary data and how they end up creating the output that they do. So in this particular case, the AI that Amazon used was fed data from primarily male applicants. So the AI ended up highly ranking male applicants, regardless of the actual skill of the individual, compared to female applicants. So for this reason, Amazon's recruiting ended up hiring no more or not even considering as many women applicants as male applicants. So AI is trained on pre-existing data. The pre-existing data includes human biases within it, potentially, depending on what data is picked in order to train the model. So among all of the information on the internet, depending on what the researchers choose to train the model on, the data can include different individual perspectives and viewpoints from people that post their ideas on the internet, or it can include well-researched scientific data. The AI then will take individual items from all of that information, like individual words or individual phrases, which are called tokens, and it produces a probability of how often that information is found within the training data set. Once those probabilities are created, the AI model stores that information and uses that as the basis for its future output.